But I say go more while as soon as we find the flight, so me come back and me gonna know. Me go and watch the Bama woman. There's nobody you can talk to. First thing, nobody don't want to talk to you because you're black. You see me? And you need to understand that it's like them practice, them train them to just say no English. As soon as they come to somebody, no English, no English. It's like that alone them study, and you have so much people come in a them country from so many other countries, and you as somebody coming at you in at the airport, you gotta say no English. That makes no sense. You see me? Them not care.
So I come across this clip of Team Spice Dancer dancing Rebel. It looked like she was on her live, and you know, me never know what go on at first. Me know say yes, she get denied entry into Europe, but me never know how. So me start do some scroll down in the comments. I'ma scroll down. I'ma find a comment where say, sit down so many hours and reach a destination and entry deny. Kiss me effing teeth. God me feel it. Somebody respond to it and say, wait, that's what happened? And then the person reply and say, she in Germany denied entry and no flight back until Saturday. So this is from yesterday. And today is Friday. So she did it from Thursday, Friday, and tomorrow, Saturday. You see what I say? And the bad part about it, if you don't get entry, you can't go on a hotel or nothing. So she literally have to sit there and wait until a time to come back. So January Rebel, I feel your pain. You see what I say? There is nothing when nobody can't even do for help, because the thing is, even if they could have buy her a flight, it seems like the flight not ready till Saturday. You see what I say? Or even if some Jamaican did they could have say, all right, I could go and build with you. I don't think them can get to her because she not clear the custom area. She not get entry, so she probably still in at the deep part of the airport. If it make any sense, so I say. You see me? So it's a very unfortunate situation. Now I have no idea why them deny our entry. I see people in the comment section and say all kind of things where I don't wish to repeat. But what I do know is that Dancing Rebel travel a lot. Whether with Spice as a Team Spice dancer by herself, she usually go to like Russia. I know she got Japan, and can't think of no other place right away still. However, about Germany though, I don't know if I first time she got Germany. I have no clue. But either way, we just want to pray for your Rebel and make sure, say, you know what I mean, you make it through the overnight. You're going to do the what, Friday night or tonight, and then tomorrow. We don't know what time tomorrow. We just have to pray so you get your flight tomorrow. I don't know nothing, Rebel. You're still our one. Come back home to you. You see me, I say, come bust your dance. You can go elsewhere. You see me, I say, there's no other place for come. So, that I don't know. That is just a little bump in the road, Rebel. You see me, then can't stop you. Still a body's dancer. But more everybody forgetting at the comment section. You see me, I say, send some blessings for Rebel. And just make sure, say, she good. You know what I mean? Just a little comfort. Even if she not get it, we are putting in her universe. You see me, I say, if she not see this.